Hello all, Simon Toohey here for Hemp Foods Australia, and I have a beautiful dish for you, a breakfast or brunch dish that really gets you going for the day. And I'm using Hemp Gold protein powder. It is a fantastic source of protein. It has 60% protein per 100 grams. It is great for a single serve, and it's about a quarter of a cup when you talk about serving size. So usually when you're using a powder, for example, the Hemp Gold protein powder, it looks like more than it really is, but I tell you what, it's needed, and it is absolutely fantastic. Full of your omegas, high in omegas, high in zinc, high in iron, fantastic whole food. I'm making baked oats and I'm gonna go straight into it. First of all, we're gonna throw in our oats. We've got about a cup of oats. In there, we've got our beautiful Hemp Gold protein powder. That's gonna go in there as well with our oats. Give it a little mix just to make sure it's evenly distributed. We're gonna go in a little bit of hemp seeds. And we're gonna go in with some orange juice. Nice bit of sweetness and acidity. And treacle. I love treacle. It is a gorgeous sweetener. Mixing that around. Gorgeous. Frozen berries. Now, if you're not in berry season, frozen berries are fantastic. Try to get organic as well. If you're in berry season, whoa, what a treat. And then finally, some milk. Now I have oat milk here, just to help out with the oats as well. The smell now is coming off. It is divine. I love this very, very much. I'm gonna lay over our fruits. Apple over the top. Beautiful. I got some gorgeous orange segments as well. So what's gonna happen is when this goes into the oven, that oat milk is gonna get soaked up by the protein. It's gonna get soaked up by those oats as well. It's gonna create a really beautiful whole food breakfast. And for me, that is something that I need. That and maybe a coffee on the side. All right. Hemp Gold protein powder is a fantastic ingredient. It's the byproduct from making the oil. So you get your already hulled seeds and you squeeze it out, you take all the oils out, and then what's left is a gorgeous protein powder. That, because it's 100% naturally done, still has its amazing vitamins and amazing minerals. And it is absolutely beautiful to use in baked goods, in cookies, as shakes, as bakes. Fantastic. Look at that. About 15 minutes in the oven, at a good solid heat, and that comes out. Isn't that just stunning? You can see the specks of red from that beautiful fruit. You can see the burnt oranges and the apples have been caramelized. I am really, really excited about this. And I love to finish mine off with some gorgeous coconut yogurt. Again, making this completely plant-based, just like hemp seeds. It is 100% vegan and it is 100% natural. And then, look, could I be wrong to be just a little bit more treacle over the top? You can use maple syrup, you can use golden syrup, you can use whatever you like. And then of course, our hero, Hemp Gold protein powder, and of course coming from the already dehulled hemp seeds. Plonk that on a table, a few bowls around, just before you go to any workout, and this to me is an absolute protein punch in the face for breakfast. I have got something that is going to sustain you through those hard times, through that slump in the middle of the afternoon when you haven't got that much energy left to keep going, and have one of these in your back pocket. It is a protein ball if you're going hiking, if you just don't like your work, you're starting to feel tired, have one of these and it's gonna pick you right back up. I've got in my bowl here 3 dry bananas that I've blitzed up, right? You can just blitz them up in a blender, do whatever you like, however you like it. You can even just use a chopper if you want to, like a knife, being a chopper. Okay, so with that, we're gonna go in with everything. So I've got hemp seeds and desiccated coconut in. I've got Hemp Gold protein powder. This is the chocolate flavored. It is fantastic. Look, I'm not meant to have, like children, I'm not meant to have favorites, but this would probably be my favorite. So this is a fantastic one, especially for your little sweet treats. But there's also vanilla and there's also wild berry. Ooh, both gorgeous, and of course, the classic gold. And they all come from the classic gold protein powder. And finally, our little favorite, old peanut butter, the savior among all of those wonderful breakfast condiments. We have got all of your amazing fatty acids. We've got amazing amino acids. We've got your amazing proteins. We have magnesiums, you got your zincs, you got your B1s. You got absolutely everything in here. And that's why when you're having that slump in the afternoon, or if you decide to have the slump early in the day, you can just punch one of these down and you are ready to go. And to bring this all together, just a little bit of the hemp gold oil. Not a huge amount, a suggestion. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna keep working this away until I can create a nice sort of thick consistency, and it's already starting to happen. I don't know if you can see this, but if I can take this and roll them into gorgeous little balls. There we go, look at that. Look at that. There we go, like little truffles. And then, into our hemp seeds. When really, if you have hemp on hemp on hemp, it can't be a bad thing. These are a beautiful organic hemp seeds as well. You can buy Australian hemp seeds, both fantastic, both from Hemp Foods Australia. And how good is that? A beautiful little hemp ball of joy, and I'm gonna finish the rest of these off. We are going down the plant protein, we are going down protein powders, we are going down smoothies, the classic way to use a hemp protein. We're using hemp protein gold in both of our smoothies. One is flavored with chocolate and the other one is flavored with mixed berries, and you'll see at the end how delicious they're gonna be. All right, so in with that we've got the chocolate plant protein, and the thing I love about hemp is it has a really special form of protein. It's called a destin, and what it does is it allows your body to break it down a lot easier and also metabolize that in your gut. Now, other plant proteins can be quite harsh and quite hard and sometimes create bloating, but it is said that hemp doesn't. So try it. If you find it hard to use plant proteins, try hemp plant protein. I reckon you will love it. And then next, cocoa nibs. If you don't get a hold of these, get yourself some. Amazing flavor. This is where chocolate comes from. And then of course, chocolate and banana. Can't go wrong. Just safety in numbers here. And then the trio, cinnamon. There we go. Only a little bit because it is quite strong. Here we go. This is something you can make if you ever get a little bit experimental. Some hemp milk, using beautiful hemp seeds that have already been hulled, of course, and then water and blitzing it to a beautiful sort of milk-like consistency. And then you can either strain it out through a Hessian bag, or because hemp seeds are so soft, you could probably leave it as it is. It just might be a little bit of texture in there, but still nice and great for baking. Right, we are not doing anything that's breaking the budget or the mind just yet, other than adding ice. Woo! And we're just gonna go on with the zizzer for a few seconds, maybe about a minute in tops, until everything is combined. All right, and that is an amazing consistency. And that's my chocolate hemp protein powder smoothie. Absolutely adore it. Okay, so let's now flip it on its head. We've gone chocolate, of course. The friend of chocolate is always strawberry. And of course, we've got our ice, because I like a cold protein shake, in with some strawberries. You can use any berries, you can use raspberries. And if you find that you're not in season, jump across onto some frozen berries, just as good. Some cashews, high starch contents. They break down really easy in a smoothie. I love them. And then some tahini. And then the mixed berry protein powder. That goes in here. We've got all our little favorites in there to make our gorgeous strawberry protein powder as well. And now in with some oat milk. Okay, I reckon we are all blended up there. Now the beauty of these wonderful smoothies are they're grain-free, which is fantastic. They're low carb, which is absolutely amazing, and they're low in sugar as well. And we've obviously got natural sweeteners through our fruits, which I think is a better way of doing things. Protein shakes, chocolate, strawberry. If you want to throw vanilla in there, go crazy. But to me, a complete protein drink, post-workout, pre-workout, even as just a little meal supplement to get you through the day. Fantastic. Lid on top, take it with you.